it's Kasia, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this glueless install on this hair I got from Vivi Hair Company. I'm going to leave everything in the description bar below, and also in the next clip I'm going to show y'all everything that came with the hair and how it was boxed and packaged. Y'all, I love it. At first, I was having a dilemma because I didn't know how I was going to style it, and I thought that maybe it was too short. But honestly, it kind of looks like my natural hair. So, yeah. It's so soft, and it came out so bomb. Like, it's giving me scalpiana. Like, it's giving me, this is your hair weave. Who got on the wig? This ain't a wig. This my real hair meal. Yeah, so this was the final result. Y'all probably gonna see me styling it a couple different ways and not really knowing what was going on, but this is how I ended up deciding to style it, y'all. And it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I did a little bit of plucking after I installed it. Y'all, they did their thing. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this probably is like one of my best wig experiences. I didn't have to do a ball cap. Like, it was just easy. I feel like this is a super beginner friendly wig. Like, it just was easy, and it came with so much stuff. I didn't even get to use everything that it came with, but yeah, it came with a whole bunch of stuff. I really love it, and y'all go check them out, period. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so shout out to Hairvivi for sponsoring this video. They sent me the 8-inch short pixie curly wig. It's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's $200. They sent me so many things in the package. It came with the rat tail comb, edge brush, wig grips. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It has 3 combs on the inside and an adjustable elastic band. It's very well made. And it comes with the ball cap already made inside the wig, so you don't have to do that. I'm starting out with some old braids from a wig install that I already had did, and my scalp was really dry, so I'm oiling my scalp with my K&B growth serum, and I'm just trying on the wig to see how it looks. Y'all, the wig really was perfect. Came out the package perfect, literally. So I'm just cutting off some of the extra lace so that I can see better. I'm gonna hot comb back my edges so that I could have, you know, a better look. And I'm gonna begin this install. Oh, also I want to mention that I'm wiping off my edges with some sea breeze. You can use alcohol, but yeah, I use this Frontal Queen spray, like wig adhesive spray. I don't recommend it. I would not use it again. It looked so great day one, but then after, you know, by the next day, it was so crunchy and white, and I'm like, oh, this is not good. And I normally don't do glueless wigs, so I don't know if that's just a glueless wig thing or if it was just a spray, but yeah, I won't do that again. I'd much rather just glue my wigs down or use a different type of spray. But anyway, I did 2 layers, and then I went ahead and put the wig on top of where I sprayed it at, and then I sprayed across 2 more times again. Y'all, I made the biggest mistake. Okay, I should have cut my ear flaps first before I started spraying this stuff down, because I cut them too big and I had a major problem. Okay, I had a problem, but we made it work. It came together. This is super self-explanatory. Honestly, I don't think that I'm going to talk too much in this video, but yeah, I'm just going to spray it all the way across, cut off the lace, do my baby hair, lay it with the wrap strip, and style it. I was having trouble styling it, but it came together in the end. And that's pretty much all that I really have to say. Oh, also, I do recommend cutting off all the lace before you spray all the stuff down, because I waited, I cut off the lace, and then I had to respray it. And that kind of was like an extra step for no reason. So, yeah, cut off your lace first. I would definitely recommend cutting it off first. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll talk to y'all at the end of this video. As I mentioned before in the beginning of the video, I did a lot of styling, but this is how it ended up turning out. And I just want to show y'all, you know, a little up close and personal. Okay. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.